Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's trading session, we are going to go over two stocks that we traded today and I sent out to my Platinum Trader Beta Tester group members. So forgive me if I'm not looking at you as I'm looking at my screens as I'm talking here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over our trade, which is SBUX. So let me come over here. Once again, real account. I got to blur out my details right here so I don't violate my terms and services, my brokerage account. And the time of cutting the video now is actually after the market is closed. So it's around 17:55, which is like 5 to 6. So stock is in real time here. MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real-time data, all real-time feeds I'm getting. Futures options is delayed. I don't understand futures. I'm not running with futures. And then we have Forex is in real time and other is in real time as well. So we got everything there that's in real time for you. So today's trade, we traded, forgive me, I got a little bit of a cold, I think. I'm coming down with something, so it's kind of hard to talk. But today's trade, we went after SBUX. And what's the first thing we do is we always draw out the box. So let me come over here to the 2-day. So you can see the 2-day 1-minute chart. So you see it up there is 10/29/21. So October 29th, sorry, last trading day of the month. So let's come over here and we see exactly where we are. We don't like to go back more than an hour. We want to see the price action for the last hour to 45 minutes to draw out our box. And then that's when we're able to make, look and see when we make our trades. So the last hour or so, what was the high? The high was right here at, let me get out my trusty tool. So price action wise, the high was right here, and then the low was right around here, just under the 20, and the close was 106.15, so 106. Why can't I get 15? Let's go with 16. So that was the high, the low, and the close. So let's draw our box now. So now we have our box. Let's move this over here. So now we're on today. Let me activate my drawing. So let's see, when SBUX opened, where did SBUX open? So SBUX at 9:30 opened at 107.29. So where's 107.29? So roughly right around here is where SBUX opened up, right? So let's open these candles up here so that you can see it a little bit better. So where did we open up? Just above the box. Great position to open up inside of the box, above the box, because when we open up just above the box, we're going long, and we're going to stay long most of the day. All right, so we're going to rip. And you see the rip that SBUX made, and then the dip, and then the rip again, then the dip, then consolidation, brutal consolidation, then the rip again. So what we do here, we draw our Fibonacci retracements, and I can do that from the low, from the open, and let's take that first high, which would be around, let's go here to this high. So this lets me know where I can start to take profit, more profit, which is in this area right here, the 25%, 61% up here in the green, that's major profit. That's 2 times, 3 times your profit from, 4 times your profit from this area right here, the 38.2. So it ripped 38.2 up to the first profit taken, right? Then it went right back down, hit the 38.2 multiple times, broke through it right around here, ripped back up again, consolidated, put back down, consolidated like crazy for the longest time, right? And then ripped again. So what I did is, let's see what I did. I sent out my text alert to my guys so that you see it here. Text alert was sent out at 10:29 a.m. We bought the 19th November 21 110 Starbucks 110 strikes at 152. Told my guys this was a day trade, so you see right there it's a day trade. We're looking at plus 30% profit, minus 10% stop loss. So let's look at 10:29. They got the text alert. So right here, this is when they got the text alert. And as you see here, it hit the 38, rebounded, right back up, consolidated. They went down, right back up, consolidated again. Remember, I said this was a day trade. So when this is a day trade, you're going to expect the movement right here. And I knew when to time it out just right on this candle because I knew it wasn't going to breach past the 38.2 because it hit the 38.2 over here on the way up. So we know on the way down, it's going to hit that for support, maybe breach under it, but bounce right back up, which it did. So this was a whole probably like 15, let's go on a 5-minute candle there. Let's see what that was. So yeah, so this is the 5-minute candle where you see it's a little bit cleaner. So you see the entry was right here on this candle right here, right on the reversal, and we ripped, right? We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got a 4 push. We got a 4-bar push right up here to bust through, back down to the 28.3, which is okay. We got consolidation, which is okay, which is what we want. More consolidation, and then we rip right back again, right? So that's what we want. And then 110.15, you know what I mean? That's the high of the day, 110.15. That's all we need for the day trade. We're in and we're out. So let's see what that looks like there. For that one, right there, that is a $900 profit for the day with Starbucks. 105%, $900, Starbucks, 19 November 21, 110 strike. We're in and we're out. All right, so that was a great move. And I took another trade today as well. Sorry, my little guy's here, so I'm going to have to go through this really quickly. Took another trade as well today, which was Ford, and we made $600 profit on Ford, $600, 113% on Ford. So that was another good trade as well. So let's go over and look at Ford really quickly. So you'll see how this one ripped. Ford absolutely just ripped all the way up. Yep, you got to leave that for Daddy, okay? Because that's Dad's, okay? Leave that alone, please. Yeah. Yeah. Go see Mom, okay? Go see Mom. So we had a nice movement on Ford as well. Let's come down to the, let me put the Ford over here on the big screen so that you can see the Ford on the big screen. So this would be the movement on Ford. Once again, we drew out our box. Can't see the box right now, but we drew out the box. And you see the Ford was a beautiful staircase, high pattern, pulled back, which is what it's supposed to, and it ripped again. So if we do our Fibonacci right here, which we got on, let's come over here. We are going to go to the low, which would be right, we can make this the low, and we do our Fibonacci to this point right here, which was 1788. That was too low. It was 17, because I took this trade around the 1770 mark. So I was getting in position. So right around here, I was getting in position to take that. I was getting in position to take that trade. Okay, Remington, I'm almost finished. So roughly around the 1760 mark, right around here, I was getting in position to take this trade. And as you see right here, we ripped 25% profit, dipping down, moving all the way up to 61% and 25% right here. All right, so that's it from me today. Sorry about the little guy in the background there. His mom's supposed to be watching him while I cut this video. And that's it. Nice little movement. So that being said, my name is Double P. If you like that video, to the left or to the right, up or down, you're going to see a link to join the site. Come on over, smash that like button, smash that like button, and then we'll see you in the profit zone. Take care, everybody. And as you can see here, Ford after hours, just ripping after hours. It's crazy. What a movement.